Alrighty, we're going to be working on the 95 Ford F-150. We've labeled the White Devil. Has a little bit of an issue with this door. You can see on the inside why it's rattling. It's cancer has spread. It's still too good of a truck to give up on. We do have to fix this because the door isn't latching very good. All that rust in there fixed in that latch, and there ain't much going on back there holding it together. So we're gonna make a little patch right through there and see if it does us some good. Alright, I'll get started. Now the first thing you want to do is go find yourself a rust tapping hammer. Kind of get in there, get anything loose that doesn't want to be there. Oh, that is thin. I hope there's something to tag to here. Alright, let me go find a grinder. Really just kind of get in there. And there we go, we got a lot of it cleaned off. A lot more rust in that rocker than I wanted to see. And there was a mouse nest up inside there, so hoping we don't start a mouse fire. That's pretty good cleaned up. I'm going to start making my patch and just kind of patch this in. Reattach her to that there. We're not going for restoration here. We're just going for... We don't want that to move anymore. When you shut the door, it doesn't rattle. This is not a... what you call a prestigious rig. It's just a driver. And in the Midwest... you got to keep one of those around that just got rust on it, because it's just going to get more rust. So it's fine. So, moving on. Alright, we're getting there. Patch is kind of making it. I'm going to build the base up, and then I'm going to make some pieces just kind of nicely weld into there. So we got a good strong base again. Hold that pillar. And then you just ignore all that. Right. And we'll work on getting a good rust converter and some primer, put some paint on it, you know. Got to dress it up some. And hopefully, no more issue with this door. Well, there she is. Ugly welds and all. MIG welder don't like to weld the rust. But it's strong. It don't move at all. Door closes good. We're not going for pretty, we're just going for functional. There it is. I'm going to prime it up and put some paint on it. There we go. There's the rust converter / primer. Should take care of all that, and then we can just shoot her white. Good to go. Truck's on the road again, door latches and everything. Oh yeah. Well, there it is. All painted up. Complete. Just gotta let it dry, close the door, and put it back outside. That's all she needed. Now the door latches again. Good job.